Teslamic launches in China with amazing updates. It looks like you have to go to China to sing in-car karaoke using the Teslamic. Yes, you heard that right. Tesla has now launched its Teslamic for in-car karaoke in China. Tesla has bagged this amazing feature, but is limited only to China. You've got to remember, what appeals to you is not necessarily what would appeal to someone living in China. But still, why do only China people have access to this? What is the tech behind Teslamic? And what is the reason behind this invention? Many questions, but don't worry, we got you. Hello guys, welcome to Elon Musk Newest. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update on the new things we bring for you regarding the tech magnate Elon Musk and his wild endeavors. Tesla has released a microphone for its new in-car karaoke system, which was launched with the company as a part of the Chinese New Year software update. This was a gift from Tesla to China on its Lunar New Year. Teslamic is currently only limited to China. But why only in China? Karaoke is a popular hobby in many Asian nations, and it has grown in popularity in China over the last decade, with over 50,000 karaoke places recorded on the mainland. I mean, businesses always want to target the areas where there is more demand, right? Don't worry, the automaker is getting its US trademark for audio products, by which we can assume that Tesla is planning to bring the end-of-the-year software update with fun features across the world. Tesla decided to release a physical product this time for the Chinese New Year. The Teslamic is a microphone to use with the Lishi KTV karaoke system, which is also included in this update. The karaoke capability was introduced in 2019 with the version 10 software upgrade in the Teslas. This is an extension to the update. Tesla announced the 2022.2.1 software update, which includes a full karaoke experience with the Teslamic. This update is China exclusive. This is not the first time Tesla is launching a China-only feature. It is open that Elon Musk always has a special place in his heart for the Chinese, as stated by him on numerous occasions. The latest update allows Tesla users to use their vehicle's onboard computer to access Lishi KTV's interface and library. Families may enjoy some good old-fashioned karaoke while traveling during the holidays with the Teslamic. These small details are what make a brand and a company interesting to not just one person, but a whole population. This is how you establish a brand. You give the people in your community what they want without them asking for it. And you do it for free. Moving back, according to Tesla's description, this wireless microphone can be adapted to the karaoke singing function of Tesla vehicle theater mode, providing you with a mobile private karaoke singing room, roaming the sea of music and singing happily. What does a Tesla microphone include? A moving coil capsule, a processing chip, anti-whistling technology, amazing design, and built-in different sound modes. You might be a boy, but you can change your voice to make it sound like a girl. The Teslamic instantly pairs with the vehicle's computer and includes a variety of sound modes to help the singers. Tesla's official Weibo account also posted a video of the 2022.2.1 software update in action. The Teslamic is demonstrated in the video to be usable outside of Tesla automobiles. Third-party microphones are currently not supported by the karaoke system on Tesla. The Teslamic has a battery life of more than 10 hours and is not compatible with NVIDIA infotainment processors. This is one of the drawbacks. The Teslamic comes in a pair, according to Tesla, so it could come in useful if you ever want to park anywhere with a date and try out some duets. Teslamic is presently available for 1,199 yuan on Tesla's Chinese store. However, according to the sources, the first batch of Teslamics are already sold out, but it's expected to be restocked by the end of February. I guess a lot of people might have bought these just as collector items because that is how it works with Tesla items. They sell out, then they're worth more than what they were launched for. For instance, if you take the Teslamic, you can see how popular it is that they've sold out within a couple of hours. This is a clean and beautiful strategy played by the local R&D department of Tesla in China. This, in my opinion, is a game changer, whether you believe it or not, and this kind of thing from Tesla separates Tesla from all the other car companies in the market. Tesla doesn't stop here. It has other new things for you. This upcoming Tesla update will allow you to choose a custom car color. Tesla is actively testing this feature internally. Since this version is still being tested, there may be some modifications or delays before it is made available to the public. This internal build was made available earlier this year with a version number lower than 2022.4, which is the most recent production release. Tesla custom colors are coming shortly. How cool is that? You'll be able to choose from a color wheel that lets you choose from almost any color, not just predefined options. Tesla's visuals can be constructed in nearly any configuration or color because they are made up of independent 3D models. Tesla might offer custom colors for seats or other things in the same manner that they offer custom colors for the exterior of the vehicle, though they are far less likely to be customized. Come on, Tesla already comes in amazing colors. Why will any person want to change it? Many automobile companies like BMW, Hyundai, and Toyota are working on this advanced feature too. But being the first and the most accurate is what matters, and Tesla is already ahead of the competition. What other features is Tesla working on? Tesla is also planning to release a map that uses a combination of Google data and Tesla's own generated data to provide a robust map and routing experience. While some map-related information, such as routing and traffic, is downloaded on demand, other information such as map tiles, street data, and voice navigation is preloaded and updated regularly. Map downloads are similar to software updates, which are downloaded and installed in the background without prompting the user. Because map updates are big and will take many gigabytes, you must be connected to Wi-Fi to download them. Since map data is so big, it is divided into regions rather than having all maps on every automobile. Your Tesla, for example, will only have maps and voice navigation for a single region, such as Asia or Europe if you are from Asia or Europe. You can't force a map update, just like you can't force software updates. Tesla updates its maps in the same manner it updates its software. It will be determined by your location and model. According to Tesla hacker, Green the Only, Tesla is now getting ready to release updated maps. The new map data is version NA 2021.44.13555 in the US, while the previous version in the US is NA 2020.48. Other changes to maps, like a new color scheme, are occasionally seen in Tesla, but this update appears to be limited to updating the data rather than visual changes. As we are approaching the end of this video, let's have a look at the supply chain problem this year. Even though the firm expects to experience continued supply chain challenges this year, Tesla said that it expects vehicle deliveries to increase by 50% in 2022. In the recent quarter, the company surpassed its competitors in terms of supply chain management by delivering a record number of automobiles. The company was able to deliver 308,600 vehicles worldwide. This took all the analysts by surprise, as they never expected the figure to be this high, given the supply chain crisis due to the global pandemic. Elon Musk, Tesla's CEO, has also said that the company would postpone the rollout of its Cybertruck, Semi, and Roadster to 2023 because of the supply chain crisis. But soon you will see them. Well, did the new Tesla update succeed in amazing you? What do you think? Tell us in the comment section below. That's it from our side. We hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up. Make sure that you smash that subscribe button down below and click the bell icon to be the first to know when we upload a brand new video. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Until then, peace.